Let's dive into the fascinating world of adverb clauses of condition and result. These clauses are essential in English because they help us express conditions and outcomes clearly. First, let's talk about the adverb clause of condition. This type of clause states a condition upon which something will happen. It's often introduced by words like if, unless, even if, as long as, and provided that. For example, consider the sentence, if it's sunny, we will go to the beach. Here, the condition is the weather. The outcome, going to the beach, depends entirely on whether it's sunny or not. Now, let's break down some of the other introductory words. Unless is a great one. It means if not. For instance, we won't go hiking unless it stops raining. This means that the rain is the condition that prevents us from hiking. If it doesn't stop, we stay indoors. Another interesting phrase is even if. This one adds a layer of emphasis. For example, I'll go for a run even if it's cold outside. Here, the cold weather is not a deterrent. I'm committed to running regardless. Then we have as long as and provided that. These phrases set specific conditions. For instance, I'll lend you my book as long as you return it. This implies that the return of the book is a crucial condition for lending it. Similarly, you can borrow my car provided that you fill up the tank. This means that filling the tank is a non-negotiable condition for borrowing the car. Now, let's shift gears to adverb clauses of result. These clauses describe the outcome of an action and are introduced by phrases like so that and such that. Take the example. She worked so hard that she was exhausted. Here, the hard work is the cause, and the exhaustion is the result. The structure is straightforward. The action leads directly to the outcome. Another example is, he saved so much money that he could buy a new car. The saving of money is the action, and the ability to buy a car is the result. Notice how these clauses help us connect actions with their consequences in a clear and concise manner. Understanding these clauses enhances our communication. They allow us to express complex ideas simply and effectively. Whether we're discussing plans, making promises, or explaining outcomes, using adverb clauses of condition and result adds depth to our language. So, the next time you're crafting a sentence, think about how you can incorporate these clauses. They're not just grammatical structures, they're tools that help us convey meaning and intention. By mastering them, you'll be able to articulate your thoughts with clarity and precision.